Hey, what's going on, guys? Edward here with another video. Thank you so much for being here. This time we're going to show the analysis for today, what we did today, the VIP group especially. Um, so I wanted to show you like what we're sharing, what I'm sharing every single day in there on the VIP group on my Telegram. So basically, today we spotted two nice positions on Nasdaq. I'm sorry, on US30 and S&P 500. Nasdaq was a little weird formation. I will show you now in a few minutes, but it was giving a little weird formation as well. It was a kind of a little noise. Even US30. I'm not gonna lie. Look at all this noise we had today. A bunch of noise right here, and indecision, and it actually started to break at what time? It was two. It was 2 p.m. like here in my country, 2 p.m. in Colombia when the market actually started to push up, which is very, very weird when the market pushes at that time. So I'm sure there was some type of news right there affecting the market. But just so you know, this formation right now it was not like that at the beginning in the morning when I woke up. I shared with the group this analysis right here. This was the first formation I was seeing in the morning. But look, I want you to understand that not all the time you're going to be right. Not all the time the formation that you might think is the formation, it is actually the formation. All right. Look what happened with this one right here. I was doing some things and I missed the push. So I just sent you the analysis and I made the entry. I put it like on a trading view. I put the entry where I would have put my entry, but I completely missed this one. Um, I was doing some things. So look at this. Look at what happened. The formation right here. You might have thought that this was the actual breakup. Okay. Um, look at what happened. This formation, I had drawn my flag was somewhere here. I had my flag somewhere around here, right? You see, this was the actual candle that was breaking. So my flag, basically, I cloned that flag and I put it here. Clone the actual line and I put it below. So this was my previous channel. All right, this was my channel in the morning. So, but look at what happened. The thing is started to actually come back down very strong after pushing, and I was like, oh shit, this could be just a fake out or just maybe the formation or this flag is not formed yet. So, and it was just the market open and this thing was just up and down, not doing anything at all. Then until actually started to melt down at around 9:45 a.m. It started to come back down, and now this is what happened when the market was consolidating right here. Bunch of consolidation. I decided to delete that flag, the previous flag that I had, which was this one, right? So I deleted and I rearranged it again. All right. So I did the formation again from here to this bunch of consolidation right there. I know this is a strong zone right now. It's a strong resistance. And this is a very strong support. Look what happened. And I did send this picture also later on. I sent a note like right here. I'm taking the risk. I send you this voice note. Look how the channel was at that moment. The market was coming below, very strong on that drop. This is a 4-hour zone. Okay, it's a very strong zone. That's why I was trusting in this thing. When I saw the market coming back down, and then immediately in the next 15-minute candle and the 2 15-minute candle pushing up, I was like, you know what, this is it. I am taking the risk, and I sent the message. I'm taking the risk. I sent even a video right there why I was making the entry. I'm always showing why I'm making the entry. So this was happening. This was on a 15-minute time frame. I was seeing the market coming back up, right? So I think I don't know if you can see it there, but the wick of the candle is right here. So this push, look at the price came back down, giving you a beautiful bullish engulfing candle. It's a trigger and touching the golden zone. And so what I did not wait for the pullback. I actually entered aggressively when I was seeing this price pushing up, starting to push up and climbing on top again of the 4-hour zone. So I made the entry. Yes, I did get a little drawdown. But then I draw my Fibonacci and I was like, oh shit, okay, I'm more comfortable right now. I do trust my analysis. Plus, the stop loss was not that far away, so it was nice risk to reward right there. So price pushed up, giving an engulfing candle, but then immediately coming back down. I was starting to come a little nervous right there at that point, but I was like, okay, if I see a candle, a body of the candle starting to come back lower, at least somewhere around this distance, I might be closing manually my entry. I might be cutting my losses right there. But I decided to wait a little longer, and this candle was it. This candle after pushing right there, I was like, okay, this is it. This thing is being rejected two times in my 4 hour zone. That is it. I know I'm violating one of my rules, which is if I spot a flag like that, I'm gonna get in on a buy if it breaks the flag on the breakout. Okay, but I didn't do it. I actually entered a little earlier because I was following price action. Okay, sometimes you're gonna feel overconfident. Sometimes you have to follow your price action. Understand, do this thing. This is beautiful formation. So uh, just sticking to that, the price started to push up, and now it started break right here. Boom. If because I sent that analysis, I was telling you guys like, hey, I'm taking the risk on this one. If you didn't want it to get in there, that's fine. You can wait for the actual breakout right here. All right. So I always tell you, wait for that candle. You see that one single candle breaking very strong that trend line. So all right, took the risk, stop loss below the zone, take profit to that high. Okay. So how many pips right there you would have taken? 116 pips. Okay, very quick. It's very weird today that the market actually starting to push up at that time of the day. Very weird, but it did happen. But you see what's happening now is market is correcting, so it might start to push back down after seeing maybe perhaps a very big double top right there. I'm pretty sure the market is going to start looking maybe tomorrow. It's going to start actually doing a bigger pullback because look at this on a 4 hour, it's just a single straight line. What the look at this massive push. So now you're seeing a double top. Okay, it's very possible that we might be looking for a drop. Okay, we might be having some type of consolidation. Plus, it just created new record highs today. All right, so um, just nice, to see US30 finally pushing up. Not just US30. Look at S&P 500 as well. Was a nice formation. Let's go on a 15-minute as well. So I did share also this analysis on the VIP group. Let's go here. This was taking the risk. This one right here, pretty much from the very beginning. I think it was somewhere. Yeah, when the market was breaking, is this US30? This is S&P 500. When the market was breaking, so it was a little weirder. But look at what happened. I was predicting this push, at least reaching this zone, pull back, then breaking and continuing pushing up. So look what the market did exactly that. So it did a pullback, reached the zone, big ass pullback right here, testing this zone, okay, very strong zone. And then price broke, reached the high, and it did a pullback, and I was reaching. So exactly the same direction right there that I was drawing. So beautiful, again, beautiful, nice formation right there. It pretty much mirror what US30 did. Look at on Nasdaq. It was a little different. I'm not gonna lie, was a very weird formation. I did not getting like whenever I see something like that, like formation that is not that clear, I might be just stepping away. All right, because I was seeing this pretty much from I believe yesterday. It was a channel. Okay, it was a reversal flag that I was seeing here. Let me clone this line. So all right, it was some type of reversal formation. Anyways, okay. After the breakout of that formation, the price did come down, start to come back down. And I always tell you this, guys, when you see a formation like that, let me give you an example here right quick. Uh, right here. When you see let's see, price is pushing, and then all of a sudden it starts slowing down this way, something like that. And then boom, the price breaks that channel. Guys, you should be taking profit at this zone, okay? Just having an idea that this is a reversal flag, okay? Price is pushing up. After breaks the flag, Usually, that normally, like at least you should be taking profit at least to this previous low. Look what happened. It didn't reach it, but I have a strategy. I actually have a strategy for that that will help you prevent like this what this happened. The price actually did not reach the previous low, actually reached like middle of the line and then started pushing up back up. So what is the strategy I have for that? Simple. You use your Fibonacci from this low to this high, right? And then you can, I know it's a little weird, but you can be taking profits somewhere around this golden zone, guys. You should be securing some profits somewhere around the golden zone, okay? Or at least putting the stop loss to break even after reaching certain areas in the golden zone, which is the 38.20, 50, or 61.8, okay? Just to make it simple. So what would you do in this position? Let me remove this thing. All right. So right there, let's say you would have drawn your Fibonacci from the bottom to the top, okay? From the very bottom to the very top of the channel, right? The reversal flag. Look what the market dropped. The market dropped. It touched the 38.20, the 50, and the 61.8. Even reached the 78.60, right? If you guys want to see what the setup is for my Fibonacci, you can just take a screenshot right here and you can see what the setup I'm using, right? You can pause it, take a screenshot, pause the video. That is basically it. Everything else is just the same, all right? Just to have an idea. So you could be securing some profits at least to the golden zone, and then maybe putting the stop loss. Let's say you enter with that candle right there, right? You put the stop loss right, your entry point. Let's say if you spotted that breakout right there, stop loss. Let's say above that previous high, and then you aim. Let's say you want to aim. I don't know. You want to aim to the bottom, okay, to the very bottom of that. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong. But make sure that when the price is reaching these zones, okay, you secure profits. Or at least once it reaches these zones right there at this point, you put the stop loss to break even. Please. Okay? Try to do that. You will see the big difference. Okay? So you see the market now started to come back down, creating that formation. I know it's very weird, it's very awkward, it doesn't make sense that formation, but yeah, it was trying to mirror what US30 and S&P 500 was doing, but the formation it was not that clear. So I'm not gonna lie, I did not get in on this one, although it was nice formation. So what do you think is gonna happen now? You see the price, this big momentum right here also dropping and now it's creating a reversal. This is a bearish flag formation right there. So it's possible the price could uh, come back down, okay? Perhaps maybe do a double bottom and then start pushing up later on, okay? Or because look at this again. Let me go on a 4 hour big in time frame because look at this big push. There's no pullback yet, okay? There's no pullback. You might say this is the actual pullback, but no, this is not a pullback. This is just a small movement right there. This could be another, you might think this is another pullback, but hell no. So you might have right here some type of double top before the price actually starts coming back down. Okay. Very possible that the market could actually do something like that. All right. Since, to complete a pullback. So again, from the bottom to the high, so you can expect a pullback to anywhere this zone. All right. If the price wants to continue pushing up, it might be doing a pullback. It might be actually dropping, at least touching the 38.20 and then maybe flying away. But at the moment, that is basically it. That's what we're seeing. Let's see where the 50 simple moving average is right now. So yeah, we're very far away from the 50 um, simple moving average. So normally when the market is very separated like that out of the 50 simple moving average, at some point the price will touch it, will look to touch, will come back down to touch the actual simple moving average. So I'm pretty sure we are expecting, let's see, 4 hour. Yeah, this could be some type of double top right there. Let's see, 2 hour. Yeah, it's looking very different because it did create a high. So we might be seeing some type of divergence. I like to see an RSI to see, you know, RSI will detect or basically will give you an idea to when the market or the trend might be ending. So right now, this is how it looks on the 2-hour time frame. You see the 50 simple moving average is getting closer to the price right now. You're seeing the divergence now. So uh, you might have to maybe, yeah, maybe you can draw a trend line. You can perhaps draw a trend line and wait for that breakout of that trend. So most likely, if the price is going to break the trend line, you might be seeing also the breakout of the 50 simple moving average. Right now, we're definitely big uptrend, but the divergence is showing already. Is showing the divergence. Let's see a 1 hour. You are also seeing a big divergence on a 1 hour. So yeah, price in this formation right here. I'm pretty sure tomorrow we're going to be seeing some some correction. Okay, market will most likely break this. Let's see US30. 1 hour. Yeah, this also this double top right there. Big double top after reaching two times right there. Boom. We might have a fall. We might have a correction. So I'm going to remove that, and we might have that fall right now, tomorrow, or perhaps next week. Perhaps next week. Let's see S&P 500. There's no double top, but everything is. It's also showing. Yeah, it's also showing a small divergence in there. So S&P also created new highs, record highs. So yeah, like it's necessary to happen. Okay, let's go daily. Look at that big push. Jesus, it's a big push. So again, use your Fibonacci from this push to the stop right there. So we might be seeing some correction soon. Okay. Plus now you're starting to see the candles. You see big candle right here, big candle, the big momentum. But now you're starting to see small candles. Now you see this day, the entire day basically. Oh well, not the entire day. The day is just starting basically. So the you're starting to see just a small doji right there or pin bar. So we might have some type of correction. Okay, it's necessary for the correction to happen. So we might be seeing a drop. Okay, it could be somewhere around this area. This is a very strong support in the past. So we might be seeing a pull back like that, and then perhaps pushing up later. All right. But I think that will be all, guys, for today. Hope you like it. And let me know what you guys want to see next in the next video. Um, just let me know also if you want to join either the mentorship or the course that I'm providing. You can visit the website, teamprofitsenglish.com. You will see all the details right there. Thank you guys again for watching. Follow me on Telegram. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Take it easy, guys.